Hello onions. A couple of months ago I randomly got an email inviting me to be a member of Amazon Vine program thingy that they have, where you get sent out stuff for free in return for reviewing it. Spoiler alert, it's not as great as it sounds, but I might do another video on that if there's any interest, on behind the scenes kind of look at Amazon Vine. But yeah, it's not as great as you think it's going to be. Ooh, free stuff, but it's actually free shite. Anyway, over the next whatever, I'm going to do a few videos on some of the things that I've got off Vine. So some of them are, occasionally you get something that's a bit decent, and most of the time it's a load of crap. Today is the latter. We're going to be reviewing this ultrasonic cleaning machine. Well, it's not really a review because it's a bag of shite, but I'm going to be tearing it down and showing why it's a fake product. Right, a real ultrasonic cleaner, for a start, has a metal tank. For a second, should we do it that way? For a second, usually runs off mains electricity, not 5-volt USB. And for a third, it works by having a transducer which converts really high frequency sound waves into vibrations, and then that makes millions and billions and trillions of tiny micro bubbles in the cleaning fluid that when they pop cause cavitation, and that cleans something. If I sounded like I knew what I was talking about there, that's an illusion. I've just been reading it off Wikipedia. But anyway, basically a real ultrasonic cleaner is a metal device, or a metal tank device, and it has a big transducer in the bottom working off mains power, generating ultrasonic sound waves which are then converted into the cleaning vibrations. So, and they usually cost a couple of £100. So this ultrasonic cleaner is described as follows. I'll put the screen grabs of this up on screen so you can see, but this is described as a ultrasonic cleaner, 48,000 hertz, blah 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 blah, with UV light for disinfecting. And furthermore, where was the rest of it? Oh yeah, about this item. Our ultrasonic cleaner operates at the optimal frequency of 48,000 hertz, generating tiny bubbles and powerful cavitation energy that create a deep cleaning effect. I think they've just read the same Wikipedia article as me. Blah 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 blah. UV light. Our ultrasonic jewellery cleaner features a built-in UV light that provides 99.9% disinfection for your various items by destroying bacterial DNA. Sounds groovy, doesn't it? Blah blah blah, multi-modes, all this bollocks. And it's described as a professional ultrasonic cleaner. So it's not one of your amateur ones, it's a professional one. So, bearing in mind that it was nominally £27 when I got it, and it's now on special for £15. Shamoli. And as is usually the case with Vine items, loads of 5-star reviews from the people who got it free. Brilliant, did this, did that, disinfected this, disinfected that, cured all my diseases. Right, so let's examine this fantastic ultrasonic cleaner. To be fair to whoever made it, it doesn't say ultrasonic on the box anywhere. There's a label over this bit here, but it just says 360 deep clear multifunctional cleaning machine. Doesn't actually say on the box that it's an ultrasonic cleaner, so I think that that's more down to the seller than the manufacturer, but let's have a look at it anyway. It is strictly prohibited to turn on the machine without water to prevent damage to the machine. That will be the expensive transducer. You wouldn't want to damage it, would you? Yeah, blah 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 blah. It's strictly prohibited to add corrosive cleaning agents. I like the way Chinese translated into English instructions always say prohibited. It is not recommended to clean natural gemstones, such as slow-boiled. What? Such as slow-boiled. No idea what that means. I thought it was going to say egg, but it says red. Yeah, boring. You don't need to read the rest of that. So, let's switch you to the overhead cam. Actually, I should have done that already, shouldn't I? So we can see what treasure lies within this box. Just check that's on. So, we get this ultrasonic cleaner. I keep thinking I should do every time I say ultrasonic on this, but we're pretending we think it's real for now. USB-C. Doesn't work off a PD fast charger, by the way. Ultrasonic cleaner. Plastic tank. I don't know which camera to show things to. I'll show things to this one. Plastic tank, so we already know it's fake because it's not a metal tank. And what kind of screw heads are those? Give me a screwdriver. Or a screwdriver handle, I should say. Right. Where were we? Oh yes, we were going to look at the high-tech electronic transducer in here, weren't we? That was turning there. Even a screw in that. I don't feel like anything was happening there. Maybe they've put a high security screw on these ones because obviously it's a top professional piece of equipment like this. You wouldn't want any old Tom, Dick or Jehoshaphat getting in there, would you? No, I think it's a normal screw, it's just very deep set. Once again, God farts on my eiderdown. I need to find a thinner screwdriver bit. Or should we just force it? I'm not sure much yet. Oop, there's one screw lost. Oh no, I'll not be able to reassemble this top piece of scientific equipment now. I'm going to find a thinner, longer screwdriver. Oh! I've got some here. I hope this is building suitable levels of anticipation here. For you fans of hyperbolic product claims. Nearly lost another screw there. Can I be arsed looking for that? Oh, there it is. Find it. We'll be able to reassemble it now. Right, let's look at this mighty transducer. Oh, flashy LED. Right, I'm going to bring my other camera down for a look. You can stay there. Apologies for shaky footage because I'm having to hand hold this. But there is the high-tech transducer. It's a little shitty 50p electric motor with some weights, offset weights on the spindle, so as it spins round it makes a bit of a wobble. Let's see if we can turn it on. Oh, that was on. Oh yeah, I have to set how many minutes I want it to go for. Although, I shouldn't probably be doing this because remember it can damage the machine and it's prohibited to turn it on without liquid in it. Let's take the risk anyway, shall we? Oh, I keep turning it off again. Can't remember how the damn thing works. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Genuine ultrasonics. we can find the sterilising UV light. That must be under there somewhere, I think. Let's see where that light was coming from. Oh yeah, it's coming from under there somewhere. Are those UV LEDs? I don't know. How would we... Oh, it's made my eyes go funny looking at them. They might be, because you can get UV torches. I need some... Well, I need it to be dark, and then I could shine it on something and see what glows under UV. White things. Let's see. It might be UV. It might just be a purple LED. Anyway, that's beside the point. The main point is, look at the battery as well. One tiny little 1850 is its cell. 500 milliamp hours. So that probably means it's about 50 milliamp hours, given the way they usually exaggerate in these things. So it's just an absolutely ordinary shitty 50p wee electric motor, wee 5-volt motor with a couple of weights on the end that are offset. So as it spins it wobbles a bit. Makes a few ripples in the tank, and lots of people who've got it for free on Amazon Vine will give it 5 stars and say how brilliantly it ultrasonically cleaned whatever it was they put in. Which just goes to show how gullible people are. Right, value added, that's what I've been told makes a good YouTube video. So, as a special reward for the one person in the world who watched to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own professional ultrasonic cleaner, which I absolutely guarantee will be just as ultrasonic and just as effective as this one. Okay, here we go. You will need a plastic bowl. Remember, plastic, not metal. This is an ultrasonic cleaner that works through a plastic vessel, very advanced. You will also need some professional ultrasonic cleaning fluid. I like to use a bottle of steel water that's been in the shed for a month. A professional bacterial DNA dissolving UV light source. Don't worry if you don't think you've got one of them, because if you've got a cat and you've ever paid a couple of quid for one of these, I was going to say crappy, but the cat loves it, these cat torches with the beam, this particular one has a UV light as well on it. So we clip that to the side of the bowl, so that's shining into my professional cleaning fluid, so that's now sterilising anything we put in there. And finally, you'll need a source of ultrasonic sound waves. An old toothbrush will do. So what we do, dip that in the professional cleaning fluid, and we now have a professional ultrasonic cleaning setup. And what can we put in there? How about this old craft knife? Ah, look at that. Look at the dirt just lifting off that. What do you mean you can't see anything? Go on Amazon and read the 5-star reviews if you don't believe me. Look, you can see the bubbles coming off. Cavitation across the nation. So there you go, that's how you make an ultrasonic cleaner just as good as this one. Mine's better, it bleeps. You don't like that in that bag of shite, do you? Right, there you have it. So I'm just off to Amazon now to give this a 5-star review. Say the Stuzzbot Ultrasonic Cleaner was absolutely fantastic, and I use it in my operating theatre and only half the patients died. Cheers for watching.